Hey there, welcome to PyScript Studios. I'm Samuel and I'm super excited to have you here. Whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your Python skills, you are in the right place. At PyScript Studios, we believe the best way to learn Python is through hands-on projects that actually solve problems and let you explore real-world applications. Over here, you are going to learn a lot of projects, including a Python-powered Telegram bot that's more than just a chatbot. We have AI counselor bots. You will learn how to use Python to connect with the Telegram API, implement AI-powered responses, and create a bot that receives real-time counseling or advice, implement bots that are capable of chatting with the user, capable of sending files to the user, and capable of doing so much more. Next up, we dive into web development with Django REST Framework. The project will teach you how to build APIs that sends data to front end and handles requests. You will get hands-on experience with creating a RESTful API, understanding how it works behind the scenes, and even test it out with different HTTP methods. You also learn how to host these APIs. You also learn how to connect them with various front-end libraries. And of course, what's Python without a little machine learning? Our next set of projects will introduce you to building simple machine learning models so you can start exploring AI in Python. We'll go over how to train a model, make predictions, and interpret the results. Even if you're a complete beginner to machine learning, don't worry, this channel got you covered with everything machine learning. Now, while we are focusing on these projects, I want to give a quick shout out to data analysis, another powerful use case of Python, although we won't dive deep into that right now. It's something to keep on your radar for future learning. So whether you are here for AI bots, web APIs, or machine learning, PyScript Studio is all about giving you the skills and confidence to build with Python. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so that you don't miss any of the upcoming tutorials. I can't wait to see what you create. Peace out.